Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to get the Mortal Kombat 1 beta download code from the official Mortal Kombat support homepage. The first step what you have to do is go to their homepage and click on support. If you are doing this via your phone, then it should look like this. Just type in your information here, as you can see here: email address, first name, last name, the platform. In my case it was the PS5. Click on console and then you can choose the console. Click on Mortal Kombat games and click on Mortal Kombat 1. Question type, I have clicked on purchase or currency. I don't know if it was the correct one, but in the end it didn't really matter. Then scroll down, then click on subject and then just type in a short description with beta download code not received. Then in the description field just simply explain what happened, that you have pre-ordered the game from Amazon or from GameStop and that you have not received the code, and you can also add please advise. And once this is done, click on submit and you should receive an email confirmation within a few seconds from the Warner Bros. Support team, and also with your ticket number. After a few minutes, a colleague from the support team should contact you, and what he will ask is if you have prepared a screenshot from your order, and he will ask you on which platform you are playing. I don't know why, but he will ask, and just simply provide him with the information, and after a few minutes he will send you the code and you will be one of the lucky ones. And that's it. I hope I could help you with this short video, and thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.